taught by another breeder, and this has yet to fail. So far, this is 100% accurate, and if you'll see it work, you'll come to the same conclusion. All you're going to need is a steel. It has to be steel. It has to be a magnetic, because birds, most animals, have magnetic fields around them, which is generally how they guide themselves migratorily from north and south. Generally with a head on it, an inch at least to an inch and a quarter. Generally works better. Larger birds, you're going to have larger nails, but it has to be steel. And you need a piece of string or a piece of floss, and that's it. So here we go. For all intents and purposes, this pen is the nail. And basically, you're just going to hang it. It's going to be like this. Obviously, the nail doesn't weigh as much, but here's what's going to happen. You're just going to dangle it as close to it as possible. Now you might have to just kind of slowly, once it stays still, move a little bit around the head, but it will catch. And once it catches, it's going to start moving. It's going to start moving in one of two directions. You have the brain hemisphere down here. Males are going to move straight up and down. Okay, it doesn't matter which way the nail is pointing. It doesn't matter which way the bird's head is pointing. If it's a male, it's going to go straight up and down the hemispheres. If it's a female, it'll start to move in a transverse or perpendicular and a circular motion. And that's it. And you'll notice males, females. And it's as simple as that. So you're going to see an actual demonstration on real birds on what this is going to look like. Now you notice, you just put the nail right there and hold it steady. And eventually it will start moving. And obviously, starts now moving in a circle, almost oblong, and it's a female. And you'll notice directly towards the camera, you'll see it's going right up and down the hemisphere. There's your boy. So, before you go and spend money or watch their breeding practices, that's how you tell whether or not you have a male or a female. So whether you have a Donnie or a Marie.